Look at this. Look at it. You cannot. Whoa. I'm gonna curl the whole hair. Happy mama. Yes, let them know. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your boyfriend, your boyfriend's boyfriend, everyone, your cousin, even your grandmother, even if she don't watch the video, tell her to subscribe to my channel, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Testimony, and if you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Oh, you guys, I'm here with the hair review for Asteria Hair on AliExpress. We'll start doing a lot of AliExpress hair reviews. So if you are an AliExpress company and you like for me to review your hair, go ahead and email me. My email is down below in the description box. So today we'll be talking about Asteria Hair. I'm going to be completely frank with you guys because I love good hair, and I love hair that is affordable because I am a college student and I do not have the banks or the bands for me to be paying $500 for hair. That's a bit ridiculous. So we're going to start to look for affordable hair that is of great quality. And you guys, this is a closure. So I have a closure in 3 bundles. The bundles are crap. Let me check. Okay, that's what are the bundles of? I have 126 inch and no. I have 226 inches, 124 inch, and a 20-inch closure. But this is a 4x4 closure, and it got here pretty fast. It came via DHL, so it was pretty kind of fast. It was pretty fast. I think I ordered it on a Thursday. No, I lied, on a Wednesday night, and it got here on the following Tuesday. So it just took a couple days, which is pretty fast. I wasn't expecting to get it that soon. I'm going to rate this hair on a scale, okay, of thickness, the luster, and overall, overall feel of it. I'm so sorry, guys. This is Brazilian straight hair, so it's pretty. It's actually it's thick. It's actually really thick, and I like it because for straight hair, I don't like it to look too thick because I kind of like that sleek look. So that's why I ordered 3 bundles. So I'm just gonna continue to brush this hair, and you guys are gonna see why. The thickness for 3 bundles and a closure, I'm going to give an 8 out of 10 because it's actually really thick for 3 bundles, and it's not heavy at all. So it's lightweight, but it's thick at the same time. We're gonna talk about luster now. The hair ain't that shiny, which I'm okay with. I personally think if your hair is too shiny, it doesn't look natural and it looks synthetic. But I mean, I think Asteria, we could do a little bit more luster with this hair, okay? So I've had this hair for about, I think, 3 weeks now. Yeah, so about a month. Wow, it's been that long. Dang. Wow, it's really been that long. I've had this hair for a month. Okay. So when I first installed this hair, it was actually shiny. Like, the luster was great and everything for like the first week or week and a half. After I washed it again, it's like the luster started to go a little bit, just start decreasing. I'm like, oh, we're not shiny no more. They could definitely work on the luster of the hair. So for the scaling of the luster, I would definitely give them probably, yeah, you get a 6 out of 10 for me. So 6, 10 meaning the best, and 1 meaning like sucks. So you get a 6, which is okay. It's still okay because it's workable. It's definitely workable. So as you can see, this is gonna be the overall how I feel overall about the hair. So as you can see, I'm like continuously brushing it because if I don't brush it, after a while it starts to kind of clump up together. And I like when my hair looks flowy like this, okay? So it looks like this for a while, and then after a couple minutes it starts to look just a little bit. Like it kind of starts to look like it's dirty hair. You know when you have hair that you haven't washed for a couple weeks, that's how it starts to look like. And I don't know why, because the funny thing is I actually deep condition this hair all the time. Every time I wash my hair, I deep condition it and I let it sit for like a day. And then the next day I'll wash the deep conditioner out, and I air dry my hair, so I don't use blow dryers because it minimizes the frizziness. So that's all I would do. But yeah, it'll be soft for a couple. See, there you go, got a little snag. I mean, I'm all over the place with this video, but I hope you guys are catching along. But I just don't like that I have to continuously brush my hair. Another big no-no is that the hair kind of sheds, okay? It sheds. It sheds like a strand at a time, but it sheds. I would just have to like literally put my hands through it and it's shedding. So, I mean, it's not the worst shedding, but the hair does shed, so be aware. And because my inches are a bit longer, I think it gets a little bit knotted at the back, which is fine for me because I'm still able to brush my hands through it. And once I do that, the knots, you know, leave. I can't even talk right now. I'm so freaking tired. I'm actually tired. Let me just eat something because I can't come and kill myself. It's not by force. But another thing that I really appreciate about Asteria Hair, and if anything, I will buy my closures from this place. Oh my gosh, y'all, do y'all see this closure is actually like really lit right now. Like, let me adjust my wig to the front. No, it can't be out here caught slipping, you know. And plus, I don't have elastic band on my wig, but y'all, this closure, don't look at that bit. But this closure is lit. It's lit. For the fact that I've only had this hair for a month or so, and the closure hasn't started balding or anything. Like, this closure is so low maintenance. All I really do is just gotta plop my wig on and I'm ready to go, apart from me having to brush it, etc, etc. But it's really low maintenance, and like, we know that company closure that always freaking sheds after like a couple weeks. We're not gonna name no names. Eunice Hair. Sorry, Scotch egg was stuck in my throat. But yeah, we're not gonna name any companies that, you know, their closure is bald after, let's say, a month or so. No, we don't got time for that. I can't be having balding closures out here. Like, they gonna look at me like, sis, what are you doing? No, we don't do that. We don't do that here. So I really appreciate Asteria Hair for having such a bomb closure. I'm having obviously too much fun with this review, but this hair and curls, bro, Asteria, you really doing it. You doing the ish, man. You really doing it. This is the best hair that I've curled that will hold a curl for days. Every time I will curl this hair, people will be so shocked that it's actually straight hair, and I would tell them, okay, I curled this hair about a couple days ago and my curls look like they've just been freshly wanded. Like, this hair holds curls perfectly. I would curl it for you, but let me actually curl it for you. Really holds that thing. See, look. Bomb. Bomb. And the thing I like about this is that once it gets curled, the luster kind of comes back. And it just makes the hair just look even more bomb. And I'm just like, damn, is this you? Is this really Tess? Like, is this the same person? Like, who are you at this point? Who are you? It's not me. It's not me. It can't be me. It's Tess, man. Y'all just flicking anyhow. Henny! Ha! Okay. Calm down, baby. Calm down. But yes, this hair holds a curl very well. So I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Asteria Hair. Oh, I definitely forgot to say the most important thing. This video is not sponsored though. It's not sponsored. I paid for these hair. All the hair that I'm going to be doing a review for, at least for now, till y'all decide to send me some hair, I'm going to be paying for it. Because I'm so tired of YouTubers lying to us. Like, oh, y'all, the next hair review I'm about to do, y'all going to be so irritated. But I'm so tired of YouTubers telling us, oh, this AliExpress company is so great, and when we buy it, it's not the same quality. Like, our itch is shedding already, it tangles, all this extra stuff. Like, I'm actually disappointed in some of the AliExpress companies. Like, why would you try to double us like that? But I really don't appreciate some YouTubers telling us, okay, this is great quality hair, and then when, you know, their subscribers buy the actual hair and follow the link, they're not getting the same quality. That's really unfair to us as your supporters, and also to us as the AliExpress customer. Like, no. So this video is definitely not sponsored. I paid for this hair, and I'm gonna tell y'all the price at the end of the video, but it was affordable. See, look, wow, Tess, yeah, popping tea. So the price that I paid for this hair, drum roll please. Y'all, I paid $181 for 3 bundles and a closure, and it's 2 26 inches, a 24-inch, and a 20-inch closure. Please tell me, sis, I ain't the plug. I am the plug for this hair. If you want this hair, the link is down in the description box. I told you I'm not really gonna break my bank to buy popping hair from. What do I look like? Am I Beyonce? Am I really Beyonce? No. I'm testimony on Wayne. I cannot pay more than $300 for hair. Even $300 self, it pains me. It pains me because I'm a college student. I'm doing broken teams right now, so I need to be very wise with my money. So yes, I paid $181 for the hair, and you get an 8 out of 10. You guys really did your job. You did such a great job. And just to let you know that I'm not lying, that this is Asteria Hair. Where's my bag at? Look, it's really Asteria Hair. Like, I promise you, it's really Asteria Hair. But you see how it looks so good when it curls? Oh my god, I'm about to be fleeky in the next video. But yes, guys, that concludes my review for Asteria Hair Company on AliExpress. I really do appreciate Asteria for having good quality hair for the low, because I wasn't gonna break my bank, like I said, for hair. And I hope that you continue to go ahead and be honest with your customers and send them good quality hair, unlike other companies. Eunice Hair. sorry, I still have that Scotch egg stuck in my throat. I really need some water. But anyways, no shade. But we'll see you guys next time on Tessie AliExpress review. It's lit. Peace out, y'all. Oh, make sure to comment, subscribe. I completely forgot. I'll be having too much fun with these videos. But make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your boyfriend, your boyfriend's boyfriend. No shade though. Your boyfriend's boyfriend, your sister, everyone, your cousin, even your grandmother. Even if she don't watch the video, tell her to subscribe to my channel, okay? Love you. Peace out.